Right, good morning everyone. Welcome to McBoss Capital live stream here. This morning is December 30th, Tuesday, 2025. Almost near the end of the year. 9:10 a.m. Mountain Time, past 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Um, Looking at the market here, we up a little bit, kind of down this morning, but it has Nasdaq have come back up to positive, so it's just up a little bit. Dow's down zero point 0.2. S&P is also near a little bit negative, and volume on Nasdaq also went up, and then NYSE volume is down. Stocks on the move again. Not many stocks on the move because of volume is probably much lower. Uh, we're still seeing a lot of stocks in the red. That's the biggest problem. Not they're not dropping a lot, but they've been dropping, right? So let's look at QQQ here. So we have a little bit of support this morning, right near the short-term moving average. So here's the trend line right there. Look at 5-minute chart. Again, not doing much. It looks like it's just stuck in this range. It's been doing that yesterday as well, but even tighter today. So that's QQQ. Let's go to SPY. Um, Same, very tight trading. Uh, Also just near the 10-day, finding some little bit of support here. Let's just quickly take a look at the equal weight Nasdaq 100. Okay, so this one, um, I think it made a slightly lower low. If we look at intraday chart, probably see it better. So yes, we did make a slightly lower low this morning. Not by much though. Let's look at RSP, equal weight S&P. Now this one found support near the lows of yesterday, so slightly better than Nasdaq, but again, not much movement. We're just stuck at this range right now. We're just stuck at the 10-day right now. You can see it's been trading really tight the last, 6 sessions now. Market not gonna make a move until the new year. So yeah, let's go to Dow. Dow also make a lower low this morning, so that is not good news. And also seeing this slope that is not good for the intraday downtrend line. So this one looks slightly weaker, and then we have Russell also making new lows, also looking weaker. So that's the bad sign here. So we have this, downtrend line forming pretty, and we keep making new lows. So again, not a good environment at this moment, with S&P, Nasdaq not moving, and Dow and Russell kind of edging downwards, right? So not a good sign. So anyhow, again, not many stocks in the move, but I'll go to my list here. Let's look at some of this here that I'm watching. Some of them, Google trying to bounce this morning. Um, we'll see if it can bounce. At least it make new intraday high. KVYO. This one is also sitting tight, not touching the 10-day, so looking pretty good. Making higher high than yesterday, so that looks not bad. Next we have MU. This one is making new high, looking pretty good. TSM, Taiwan Semiconductor. This one is holding very tight right now. And let's look at Philo. Philo make new high this morning, looking very sharp. It's been breaking out of like two base on base pattern. Zeta also making a move right now this morning. It's getting closer to the previous high, so that also looks really good. Let's quickly take a look at Nvidia. It's not moving much at this moment, so it's just sitting near the 10-day. Not much power at this moment. Let's look at Palantir. Palantir it gave up 2 days ago, and it's been going downward, so that's not a good sign as well. Now it's near the 50-day. So those are the this morning SI was moving, HSAI coming up, bouncing back to to a higher height this morning than yesterday. That looks good. Industrial side, we have CenX, this aluminum bouncing pretty strong here. Have Thai, and they announced some sort of news. I don't know the details, but it's making a big move right now. And on the health side, there's PAC still moving, making new high this morning. This is the strongest stock in my list in terms of performance. Uh, Yesterday, a lot of the metals got hit hard. Um, let's look at coal first. Coal was one that was actually bouncing yesterday. Today, holding tight. Yesterday, again, there's HCC here also bouncing yesterday. Again, today it make higher high, so it looks pretty good. Those two. Um, the gold stocks, a lot of them reversed from this morning's move after yesterday's drop, but we can look at some of them. We have ERO. So yesterday big drop, and then big drop yesterday, and then today it bounced back. So this ERO, this is copper actually. Let's look at Newmont Mining. So see the gold stock, this one the gold stock, and big drop yesterday below 10-day. Today is bouncing back towards the 10-day moving average. So, but the slope line has formed now because we have a pretty steep slope line. Looking at silver, same, very similar. So it's trying to bounce back to the 10-day, and then it reversed from this morning high. So that's the problem here. This morning we're seeing a lot of reversal. So gap up and then drop sharply. And look at how during the intraday it's not bouncing above that trend line. So we're staying at the bottom of the range. So not a good sign at all. Um, we have also lithium SGML bouncing back today from yesterday's big drop. And then we have SQM fertilizer. This one not making much of a move as well. It's reversing now. So that again, you can see it's starting to form this really steep trend line here, downtrend. So not a good sign. Then we have financial. Again, a lot of stocks are red today. BCS Barclay had a drop yesterday, but today it bounced back and make new high. Looks really good. Rocket Mortgage um, is bouncing, coming out of this trend line here. Looks pretty good. SII bouncing just a little bit, not moving much. That will be pretty much it. Short. We'll see how the market goes, whether the market can come back today or not. So just a small bounce, and SPY also very little bounce. Not much of an action. Thank you all for watching. Have a very good day. See you again.